are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American actor, best known for his role as Miguel Diaz in the Netflix series Cobra Kai. How do you go about pronouncing his name? Xolo. You do want to pronounce the X like SH here? Xolo Maridueña is how it would be said in Spanish. Maridueña, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Xolo Maridueña. Xolo Maridueña. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more celebrity names, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.